In this video, we're going to learn how to make the capital T and the capital F in cursive. The capital T and F are very, very similar. So once you learn the T, you almost already know the F. The T starts with this tail at the top. So we start just below the top line and we do a little hook up. Then we bring this hook down and curve this way for a tail. I will say that one was not my best because it's too straight up and down. Do you see how these are diagonal? I went too straight up and down, so I'm going to try that again. Start just below the top line, hook it up, bring it a kind of diagonal down and a tail. So it's a hook, down, and a tail. A hook, down, and a tail. Now, there's a couple of ways you can connect this T. There's the way that they show you here, and there's the way that I learned. So I'm going to show you both, and you can decide which way you like. The way I learned when I was a kid was I do a hook up, down, and the tail, and it comes across and goes into the next letter. In this case, Toronto, it's an O. Then I back it up, and I continue on with the rest of my word. Don't forget to cross that T. So that's one way. Sort of like we did the I just the other day. I'm going to show you back. Right? Remember that I went into the O there. So the way I learned the T was that the T does the same thing. Another style for the T is like this, where you make the T the same way, hook up, down, and put a tail that way. Then you pick up your pencil and you just come over here and you sort of connect the O and you start going that way. So you have an option. You can do this where you don't pick your pencil up. You just bring your pencil over to your starting point. Or you can do this where you pick the pencil up and then just sort of connect the next letter. So for example, if I was writing the word tall at the beginning of a sentence, I would do T like this, pick my pencil up, and the A would start like that. So I would have to connect the A for the word tall. Okay? The word F is exactly the same, except it has this little line right here to make it into an F. So it goes hook, down at a diagonal with a tail and a line. Again, a hook, down, tail, line. And the same deal, you can connect the F in both ways. The way I learned when I was a kid, hook, down, tail, come across. We're writing France. So I'm going to go to the R and then into the rest of the letters. And when I'm done, I have to cross my F. I can't forget to cross my F or it looks like a T. Or you can do it like this, where you pick your pencil up. So it's hook, down, pick your pencil up. You could choose to cross it now or at the end. And then just connect the R at the bottom. Either way is okay. So you can have the F tail come over, so you never have to pick your pencil up, and you just keep going with your word, then cross it at the end, or you can pick your pencil up, cross it, and continue on with the word from there. Okay? All right. Take a moment and read the sentence. If you need more time, pause the video and then join me to read together. The best way to learn French is to visit France. Again, the best way to learn French is to visit France. Okay, don't forget to write it 20 times on your whiteboard, then highlight, pencil, highlight, pencil, highlight, pencil, highlight, pencil.